Have you ever wrapped a gift and wondered, how much wrapper do I actually need? Or if you're painting a box, how do you know how much paint will cover it? Well, today, you're about to learn a math skill that helps solve those real-life problems. And it's called surface area. Hi Math Explorers, I'm Teacher Waven, and today we'll learn how to illustrate and find the surface area of solid figures, especially rectangular prisms, square pyramids. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify parts of these solids, calculate their surface area, apply this in real-life situations. Before we move on, let's review something important. The formulas for area. Rectangle, area equals length times width. For square, area equals s squared. And for triangle, area equals 1/2 times base times height. Why do we need these? Because surface area is just the sum of the areas of all faces of a solid figure. If a rectangle has length 4 centimeters and width 3 centimeters, what's the area? Yes, 12 square centimeters. Because area of a rectangle equals length times width. 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 12 square centimeters. A rectangular prism is a solid shape with length, width, and height, like a shoebox or refrigerator. It has 6 faces, and here's something cool. They come in pairs with equal sizes. Pairs, top and bottom, left and right, front and back. Example 1. Step by step. Dimensions. Length equals 6 inches. Width equals 2 inches. Height equals 3 inches. Top equals 6. Times 2 equals 12. Bottom equals 12. Left equals 3 times. 2 equals 6. Right equals 6. Front equals 6. Times 3 equals 18. Back equals 18. Total surface area. 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 plus 18 plus 18 equals 72 square inches. Instead of adding all faces one by one, we can use a formula. Formula: surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width plus 2 times length times height. Why multiply by 2? Because each face has a matching opposite face. Example 2. Using formula. Length equals 15 centimeters. Width equals 7 centimeters. Height equals 9 centimeters. Surface area equals 2 times 15 times 7 plus 2 times 9 times 7 plus 2 times 15 times 9 equals 210 plus 126 plus 270 equals 606 square centimeters. See? Much faster. Now let's move to pyramids. A square pyramid has 1 square base, 4 triangular faces. Total faces equals 5. Surface area equals base area plus area of all triangles. Base side equals 4 inches. Triangle height equals 4 inches. Step 1. Base area. 4 times 4 equals 16. Step 2. 1 triangle. 1/2 times 4 times 4 equals 8. Step 3. 4 triangles. 8 times 4 equals 32. Total surface area. 16 plus 32 equals 48 square inches. Surface area helps us in real life when we wrap gifts, paint walls, build boxes, sew fabric covers. So yes, math helps save materials and money. Answer in 5 seconds. 1. What do we add to get surface area? Areas of all faces. 2. How many faces does a rectangular prism have? Six. 3. What shape are pyramid side faces? Triangles. Awesome job today, math explorers! Now you can find the surface area of rectangular prisms and square pyramids like a pro. Remember, math isn't scary. Sometimes it's just shapes wearing costumes. If you learned something today, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next lesson. Now with the help of your teacher, do the following activity.